We all know about the population of our country, and it has become a big issue. And still in our society, it's a taboo if you don't want to have a child. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel We Women. So let's start the video. You know, in our country, there are so many children who needs to be adopted, and they all deserve all the love and care. But still, in our society, it has become a mandate that you have to have a child. And if you're not having a child, then they look down on you. And it is not considered sacred also sometimes, if there is a ritual or something. I have seen personally that they don't allow ladies to join that. It is so embarrassing, and we can imagine that what these women go through. Sadhguru has said that, these women should be awarded who don't want to have children because they are doing a service by not populating the overly populated country. They are called ansanskari, and many things are said about their physical health also. This concept of not having a child is increasing rapidly amongst couples, and the first fear they have is that what will people say? Because we live in a society and everybody needs acceptance. But why don't we leave this decision to them? There are many financial obligations, before child and after child. Finances are really different, and they have to take care of a lot of things because baby needs utmost care. That having this pregnancy takes a toll on their career, because either they don't want to flourish their career because they feel guilty about it, or they are not considered for big opportunities in the office just because they are mother now. Sometimes it happens that a couple wants to have a baby because they want to save the relationship, or they want to create a bond between them. So just imagine what kind of pressure that child goes through. So it is never a good idea to make a fevicol out of a child and try to stick to your marriage. There are many groups who are supporting this concept of not having a child, and they are brutally trolled in the society. We all have limited time, and if we are having a child, then definitely he or she needs all the time. And then how much time do you have to give to your partner? This is one point which they always raise while promoting this concept. And it's always seen that child is specially attached to the mother for all the needs, initially especially. So many lines are said that you are not a complete woman if you are not giving birth to a child. There is a lot of shame attached to this concept, and only women will be judged for this. Generally it happens that women will be judged for this, and men will roam around and nobody will ask him, nobody will in the family also dare to ask him that you can also need a treatment. It's a taboo for them. So again, women is targeted in this area. Again, patriarchy. So what is right and what is wrong? And why our society is not prepared for this concept yet? These all are the questions which are arising these days, and we need to find answers. It starts from there when our friends tell us that they don't want to have a child, and we don't judge them. And we tell them that it's your life. We talked about the concept which is arising these days, and why it has become a taboo. It has been a taboo for a long time. We all have heard stories, that men are remarrying just because of child, and so many abuses are happening against women, and genocide is happening. And if they find out that daughter is there, then they'll kill the daughter. So many things are happening. So time has come that we should ask ourselves, is it really needed? Is it a mandate to have a child? What do you think about it? Please do tell me in the comments, and we should definitely talk about these things. Women are not just for reproducing. They have their identity, their careers, their health, their priorities, and please don't judge them. So I hope you liked my video. If you like it, please like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for your time.